Enjoy a luxury spa at home with salt and sugar body scrubs. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a great day. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Jijani and today I'm going to show you guys how to make sugar and salt body scrubs. Body scrubs have benefits, and if you tried them before, you know how great they are. Just like our face, our body needs exfoliation to unclog pores, to remove flaky skin, and to turn textured skin into smooth, moisturized skin. And body scrubs do that. I like to use body scrubs during cold and dry season to get rid of my dead skin cells that is sitting on my skin. While sugar and salt body scrubs work, they provide different benefits, so you can choose which one to try depending on your needs. And I'm going to talk about the benefits throughout the video. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and check out our other videos in our channel. All right, let's get started. Let's go over brown sugar first. Sugar has round granules, so it's gentle, and sugar's glycolic acid promotes healthy cell turnover. They're less drying and dissolve with warm water, leaving moisturized, smooth skin. Pink salt has sharper granules, so it's really beneficial when you want to remove flaky and rough skin. It's very effective for exfoliating your skin. Unlike brown sugar, salt has minerals that improve blood circulation to your skin and provides therapeutic benefits. Well, my friends, that is it. Make yourself your own body scrubs and enjoy your silky smooth skin. Let us know which one you decided to try as well. Also, comment down below what videos you want us to do next. Give us lots of ideas and we'll try to make it happen. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!